Hello guys, it's Allanna here. Today's video is going to be a very fun one for me because, as I have mentioned before, I absolutely love fashion and clothing so much. So today's video is a spring clothing haul slash try on, and this try on is not going to be whether or not I decide if I like the clothes, because I already know I like all of these because I've been gathering these clothes for a couple months now, so that way I can make it into a video to show y'all. This is just going to be a try on so that way I can give y'all an idea of what these clothes actually look like on a person, just so in case y'all are wanting to buy these clothes or similar ones, you'll have an idea of what they actually look like on someone. And I will just say I love these clothes. They are very cute, and I have been stepping out of my comfort zone as far as color wise, because I usually gravitate towards darker colors for clothes. I mean, yeah. And I mean, it's spring, so you gotta go with kind of brighter colors for spring, and I think I did a decent job of that within staying with my own personal style. Subscribe to my channel if you have not already for videos every week, and so that way you can enter into my giveaway that I'm having. I collaborated with Asavea to give away a rose gold colored vibration flat iron. This flat iron is amazing, so if you want to learn more about that, go check out my previous video. I will leave the link to that in the description, so go check it out and enter the giveaway because it doesn't last for much longer. So with that said, let's go ahead and get started with the video. So first, I am going to start off with this top that I got. This is sort of a crop top, and I got this from Forever 21. I love the fabric of it. It's kind of like a thicker fabric. It's got the adjustable straps, which is awesome. It's got a stretchy back as well, and it's like a white color with red and navy blue stripes. I just really liked it, and yeah, so there's the first one. So my second thing is an off-the-shoulder crop top. This is also from Forever 21. It is white with black stripes, and I honestly love off-the-shoulder tops so much because they just look so elegant and pretty, honestly, and you can wear them with so many things. You can dress them up or wear them more casually, and this one is really nice and flowy, and it's great for spring, especially on those hotter days. So starting with the third item, this is just a simple tank top, and it's a really pretty lavender purplish blue color. I really like to stick to more simple clothing pieces, and that way I can dress them up with accessories or jewelry. And I was just really looking for a bunch of tank tops, and I like this one because it's got sort of a frilly texture at the bottom of it. This as well is also Forever 21, and you can honestly pair this with so many different things, so many different bottoms, and just it's a really great just basic piece to have. So continuing on with my tank tops, this one is a really cute like pale sort of yellow color, and this one it looks like sort of sweater material, and it's got really pretty frillies going on at the top. Again, this one can be paired with so many things, and it's very simple and yellow, which I used to hate wearing the color yellow or orange or even red, but this is honestly a really cute yellow, so I love this, and I believe this was also $5, so why not? Next, I believe this is the last item from Forever 21. It is another yellow shirt. This is more so like a mustard yellow, and I saw this and I really liked the color and the way it looked on the hanger, but I wasn't sure if I was gonna like the way it looked on me and with my skin tone, but I tried it on and I loved it so much. It's a long sleeve shirt, and it looks like it's sweater material, but it's actually really thin and breezy. So I thought it'd be great for spring, maybe on those chillier days that are maybe windy, because I've had so many of those already so far. So this shirt has come in handy, and it's got a cute little white collar, so I loved that as well. And once again, venturing into the brighter colors. Now I have this red crop top that I got from TJ Maxx, and this one has a really cute flower pattern on it, and it's got some buttons going down the front as well as this little tie in the front that I just thought was so cute, because this is just nice and flowy, and you could pair it with some just jeans or denim shorts. It's really cute and different, and of course it's red, which before I just really did not like wearing the color red, but I've gotten into it because I think it looks great on anyone, and I think shirts like this are just really nice to have, especially for spring, because you can even wear a tank top under it, or you could wear it open and unbuttoned, but I like to wear it buttoned and tied up as the shirt came, but it is up to you as far as how you like to style it. It's just a great sort of accessory piece to have. Okay, I lied. I have one more thing from Forever 21, and it is a pair of shorts. I've really been looking for new pairs of shorts, so this is just a plain old pair of denim shorts, and it's just got a little cute rose gold button. But yeah, just pretty basic, no designs or anything, just some high-waisted denim shorts. I also got a second pair of shorts. Now these are some ripped denim shorts. I'd also been looking for a pair of these because I had never had a pair of these before, and like I said, I was on the hunt for shorts, so I definitely tried a bunch on. They've just got a few little rips here and there, nothing too crazy, because I personally don't really like those overly ripped shorts or jeans. So these are from Charlotte Russe. These are also high-waisted and look really cute with a belt, so this is definitely going to be added to my collection. So back to some stuff from TJ Maxx. These last two pieces are definitely my favorite. This is a jumpsuit, so it's got the pant legs at the bottom. It is navy blue with white pinstripes, and it's just spaghetti strapped, and it has this really cute tie in the front, which I absolutely loved, and the back is an open back, and this will just look really cute with your hair up or in a braid or something, and it's just nice and flowy, which I absolutely love these so much, especially for spring. They're really in right now, and this one was just absolutely adorable. I couldn't pass it up, so there's this one. So next is my last thing from TJ Maxx and my last piece for the video, and it is this romper, and it's white with black stripes. As you can tell, I like sticking to simple designs, but this one is a little bit dressier looking, and it's got this really pretty flowy cape sort of thing, but it only is from the waist down, and the back is a partially open back like this, and it has a tie in the back as well. So I just loved this so much. It was great for just that simple dressy look, but not entirely too fancy. So that is it for today's video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. I absolutely love these clothes so much. I hope you guys have fun with choosing outfits for spring, and don't worry, you don't need to be going and spending a bunch of money on clothes. You can definitely find them for pretty cheap. You just gotta keep your eye open. And I have a challenge for y'all, and that is to kind of venture out of your comfort zone a little bit for spring. Just try out some new things. Don't be afraid to try new things, you know? So be sure to give this video a big fat thumbs up, subscribe if you have not already, and turn on notifications for every time I post. Enter my giveaway if you have not already. I love you guys so much. I will see you next time. Bye-bye.